What if I told you that you can create a full professional song in 60 seconds with zero musical experience needed?
Suno AI is the music generation platform that is redefining what it means to be a musician in 2026 and beyond.
Suno launched and within months became the most talked about AI music tool on the entire internet. Here is why.
The first song Suno generated for me had a melody I could not get out of my head for 3 days straight after hearing it.
Type any description of a song you want to hear. One sentence. Hit generate. Watch what happens next in real time. Every genre, every subgenre, every mood and tempo. Suno generates authentic music across the full spectrum of human musical expression.
Suno does not just generate music. It writes complete lyrics. Emotionally coherent, rhythmically perfect, and genuinely surprising every time.
Custom mode gives you complete control. Your lyrics, your style tags, your structure. Suno executes your exact creative vision precisely.
Free plan gives you 50 daily credits. Pro starts at $10 per month with commercial rights included for all your generated music.
But there is one thing Suno can do that I have not mentioned yet. And when I show you Po, you will not believe it is real.
Suno can reimagine any song in any style. Same melody, completely different genre. The results are genuinely jaw-dropping every single time.
The AI vocals in Suno are not synthesized. They are learned. The difference in emotional realism is immediately obvious to any listener.
YouTube intros, podcast themes, ad jingles, game soundtracks. Suno generates custom music for every content need at a fraction of traditional cost. I compared Suno against 3 major competitors and 2 premium stock libraries. Suno was not close. It was in a different category entirely.
The Extend feature lets you grow any clip into a full song. Verse, chorus, bridge, all generated and connected seamlessly with perfect musical coherence. I sat down with zero musical knowledge and one creative idea. I want to show you exactly what happened from the very beginning to end. I genuinely did not expect what came out. A complete song, professional quality, lyrics that actually made sense, in under 45 seconds flat.
But Suno has real limitations I will not hide from you. Generation credits run out fast. Some outputs repeat structures. You need to know this before paying.
Multiple creators can build on the same Suno project simultaneously. AI music creation is becoming a genuinely collaborative human experience now. Commercial rights are included in paid plans. You own the music you generate with your Pro or Premier subscription. Use it anywhere you need. The real question is not whether AI can make music. It clearly can. The question is what this means for human artists and creative identity.
Suno is not replacing artists. It is removing every barrier between a creative idea and a finished piece of music. That changes everything positively. My verdict, May. Suno AI is the most impressive creative tool I have tested in 2026. It is genuinely game-changing for content creators everywhere.
The link to Suno AI is in the description and pinned comment below. Start with the free plan and generate your first song in 60 seconds. Music was the last human art form we thought machines could never touch. Suno just changed that assumption forever. Your move now.